Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we will now present to you Mr. Melon. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we will now present to you Mr. Melon. Today's on the show list, it must be Super Puppet. So, Mr. Melon, do you want to start the show? Alright then, let's get started. Yeah! Meow. Don't worry, I got you. Here you go. Meow.
Thank you for saving my cat. You're a hero.
Huh. How are you welcome? Stop right there, Criminal Scout. Freeze! You're under arrest.
I never do such a thing, sir.
I don't care. Hands up immediately. This is your own cell. You'll be staying here forever. Huh? Oh no. Must be something's bad. Open up! Oh no. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. That'll teach you a lesson. Virus! You fool. Yeah, that's what you get, you stupid coronavirus. Oh, hi, Chucky.
Oh, hello there.
Say, can I take a break in your pizzeria? I'm the superhero.
Wow, really?
Yeah. Somebody needs my help. I'll be back, Chucky.
Wait.
Oh.
It's okay, Chucky. You'll be back.
Spire! Stupid Spire. Alright then, let's get What the? Huh? Oh no. Where was the body? In the streets. Who? This guy. How do you know it's me? I saw you standing next to the body. If not, then me. So... Alright, you guys, that is all for the Pepper Show. See you in the next show. This is Kenny Farrell signing on. Goodbye, and we'll see you in the next show. Alright, you guys, that is all for the show. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. I'll be uploading right now.